Welcome. In these capacity building workshops for entrepreneurs, we have been discussing the strategic intent of your business. In our quest to reveal 7 principles to realize the strategic intent of your business, we have already treated 4 principles. Today, we start a 2-part presentation to reveal principle number 5. Expect challenges. Prepare to overcome. Let us examine 8 threats that can destroy your business. The first one is inadequate financing. No one ever has all the money they need waiting for starting a business. How much do you have? How much more do you need? One of the first skills every entrepreneur needs to develop is financial intelligence, knowledge and understanding of financial matters such as financial planning, the time value of money, insurance, investing, saving, tax planning, budgeting, and assets and liability management. You may hire an accountant to do much of your financial administration, but at startup, when you are unlikely able to afford one, your limited knowledge of the basics will help you balance the books. Be diligent in managing your resources. Allow enough working capital to see the business through the startup phase. Entrepreneurs are risk managers. The greatest risk they face being financial stability. To start a business, you need assets, essential items with value that help you earn money. With good understanding of the nature of the business, you will be able to distinguish between the things you must have and the less essential items. Thus, you can minimize both your financial risk and the amount of startup capital you need. Procure only what is absolutely necessary, and then you can add all else. You can increase your asset base as the business grows and the use of the specific asset is justified. There are many ways to raise startup capital and working capital for your business. You may apply your personal savings, which is rarely ever enough. Family and friends may be supportive in funding your dream. You may seek support from a financial institution under a central bank enabled plan for small businesses and SMEs. You may look to a venture capitalist or even an angel investor. Consider, however, that any support you get, financial or otherwise, is a vote of confidence in you as an entrepreneur, and it rarely is enough. Therefore, you need to be creative. Adopt models which allow you to get started without having much material capital. You can think about timeshare on machines. Make use of supplier credit line. Keep your debt exposure level low. Clear debts as soon as possible to reduce cost of funds. Be smart. Look around for money lying around. I'm talking about, opportunities. Use customer deposits to fund production. Open a business account. Separate it from your personal account. Run it in a transparent manner. This way you are building a good record in your bank should you need a financial instrument later. Seek out low-cost funds. There are specialized banks such as the Islamic Bank, the Bank of Industry, the Bank of Agriculture. You will find that many governments have policies on financial and technical assistance to micro, small, and medium enterprises. These funds are available at single-digit rates. Take advantage of the offerings of NGOs and foundations, business incubators, and facilitators. Sales is the lifeblood of any business. The second challenge many entrepreneurs face is low sales, no sales, or unprofitable sales. Every business is started with many assumptions. That the solutions you create are acceptable and appreciated by the people who need them. That buyers will be willing to pay for your solution. That enough people will be willing to buy to make the business sustainable. The one who creates with passion often overrates the relevance or value creating capability of his solution. Profit is earned when people pay more than you have spent on creating the product. Therefore, even if you consider your offering as the best thing since sliced bread, keep an eagle eye on your costs. Master the art of selling. You need selling skills to make money. Having a product is not enough. You need to sell to your workers for them to buy into your vision. You need to sell to your partners for them to invest in your business. You need to sell to your customers that they may buy your products. Business leaders are always selling. The third challenge I've observed with entrepreneurs is failure to do proper market research. Your failure to do proper evaluation of your market and understand it, as well as the buyer's values, will likely result in business failure. Insufficient market research can result in going into an overcrowded or declining market. Get your business model fit right. Watch trends in the marketplace. By the time you think you are prepared for something, it may already be updated. Assumptions are subject to proof. Keep testing the market readiness of every product and every service. That a product is doing well in the market is no indication that it is ready to be escalated. People generally do not respond positively to change. Starting small gives you opportunity to test your assumptions. Your exposure is low cost and may cause you to give up on a good business. You may need to adjust a few things. If you do not, someone else may do so and thrive on your business idea. What is real price? What is market acceptable price? Consider small margins, large numbers. It is more sustainable. So, if a percentage of that market drops off, your business does not collapse. The pyramid is about disposable income. The numbers are at the bottom, buying consistently. Understand the business environment in which you operate. In some climes, customization pays better than the standard. The fourth challenge of entrepreneurs is unwillingness to innovate. Innovation should always be topmost in your mind. So seek out unique opportunities, be humble, accept opinions that do not support what you want to do. It may be a good business idea, but the environment or the season may not be ideal or economically viable. Let your business grow by stages so you can respond to the new issues of growth. You may even need to scale up much faster to meet demand. But do not be afraid to try new ways. Dare to push the boundaries. Take quantum leaps in faith. Challenge the status quo. Many big breakthroughs in enterprise have and will continue to be unprecedented. It may not look like it, but it will make money. Keep trying new things. Push until you are convinced it cannot work. Be honest with yourself. Business startup is challenging. The fearless do not think of the risks. They seize the day, knowing that even if they grab the wrong opportunity, they can always drop it and pick up another. try to conform to conventional ways of doing things. Be untraditional. Think things out for yourself, whether it is a business or a service or a product idea. You get ahead by doing things differently from the way it was and is being done. If you want success to follow you like a shadow, do not be satisfied with status quo. Take the risk. Be bold. Do what others are afraid to do. The greatest risk is not taking a risk at all. Startups experience many dark moments, so be prepared. Going against the tide is risky. Have confidence. Nobody knows which experiments will work. They almost always fail, but the successes make up for the failures. Test your innovative ideas. Have more facts than dreams. Why? Facts are concrete ways to make dreams happen. Seek out people with the energy that sparks your dreams and make you believe continuously. Dreams that come true give you the impetus to dream more and bigger. Review, reset, re-strategize. Never give up tweaking the product or service. Keep taking guided steps forward until you have the best fit. This is easier if you are driven by something other than just making money. We've just treated 4 threats. Next session, we'll treat 4 more. Thank you for your time.